Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're jazzing up our salmon piccata recipe with a little extra flair. Let's get started. Grab a shallow bowl and mix together all-purpose flour with a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick, along with a pinch of kosher salt and black pepper. This spicy seasoning blend is gonna take our salmon from oh to oh la la. Now it's time to give our salmon fillets a fabulous makeover. Sprinkle those beauties with a dash of salt and pepper, then give them a cozy coat in our spicy flour mixture. Dredge those seasoned salmon fillets in the flour mixture, coating them evenly for that crispy, spicy goodness. We want these fillets to be dressed to impress. Heat up a skillet and add a splash of olive oil. Once it's sizzling hot, gently place those fillets in the pan. Cook them up for a few minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy on the outside and perfectly tender on the inside. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe. Once they're cooked to perfection, transfer those gorgeous fillets to a plate. Let them rest for a minute or two. They've earned it. Time to amp up the flavor. In the same skillet, add butter and let it melt. Pour a splash of white wine into the skillet to deglaze all those delicious bits stuck to the bottom. That's where the magic happens. Next up, add some chicken or beef broth to the mix. It's gonna give our sauce that savory richness we crave. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for that citrusy zing. Toss in a handful of capers for that briny pop. Stir it all up and let those flavors mingle. Let the sauce simmer away for a few minutes, letting all those flavors get cozy together. Keep an eye on it, give it a stir now and then. We want it to be just right. Return the salmon fillets to the skillet and spoon the sauce over them. Cook for an additional minute to heat through. Taste the sauce and tweak it to perfection with a bit more salt, pepper, or lemon juice if needed. Once it's singing your tune, remove the skillet from the heat and sprinkle the chopped parsley over the salmon, garnish with lemon slices and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious salmon piccata. Get ready to dig in. And there you have it, folks. Perfectly cooked salmon with a spicy kick and a flavorful piccata sauce that'll knock your socks off. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures here at Kelvin's Kitchen. Buen provecho!